Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel AI Basics. Let's begin with today's tutorial. On today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to change background on FaceApp. Open your FaceApp, then after over here, tap on your desired picture on which you want to change your background. Then at the bottom you can see the option of filters, smiley face, blush, makeup. Pull towards right, and there you'll see the option of blur, and at the side of it, backgrounds. Tap on it. They have many options in background. You can see you want to add from your gallery, you can do so, or search from web as well. I will add on the given items over here only. Edit it as per your desire. And then after, tap on apply and make sure you save your edit. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.